Alright. It's 7:30. He is 19 weeks today. And he is mad. We have found out that one thing calms him down. He wants to open the fridge and look inside. Oh. He loves the refrigerator.
He does.
Now close it and see what he does. Okay, now open it. He's trying to open it. Oh my gosh.
Look.